Start by adding water, sourdough starter, flour and salt to a bowl. Mix this together to form a sticky dough. No dry bits should remain. Cover it for about an hour and then start to strengthen the dough by performing some stretches and folds. You'll feel the dough strengthen as you perform these stretches and folds. You can see how stretchy my dough is here. Once you've done the stretches and folds, it's time for bulk fermentation. Cover the bowl and leave it to rise until it's roughly doubled in size. Don't worry, focaccia is super forgiving. Once it's ready, gently transfer the dough into an oiled pan. Rub your hands together with olive oil and stretch it to fit. It doesn't have to be perfect. The dough will settle into the pan as it rises. Let it proof again until it looks puffy and pillowy with little bubbles forming on the surface. Now for the fun part, the topping. Pour olive oil over the dough and dimple it with your fingertips. Then sprinkle with flaky sea salt and rosemary. Bake your focaccia in a preheated oven at 200 degrees or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until golden brown. Once it's baked, remove from the pan, slice and enjoy.